Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to fish, how to catch the fish, okay? Something bad, it's okay, no problem. See what is this? This is the net. Who can catch the fish from this net? Then he is the man on the river. This is feed. You can see. We feed the fish. We feed fish first, okay? Like this, like ball. Throw them into the river. Then after 3-4 minutes, there is some fish come and then catch the fish from this net. This is the fisherman. This is the fisherman. Now you can see how to fish. Okay. Oh. Guys, this is the Walava river, Sri Lanka's 4th biggest river. You can see. End. This is the end that goes to sea. This is the place. This is the place. This is the fish catching place. This is the fisherman. Okay. This is my brother, and now we are going to catch some fish. Okay. Guys, this is Sri Lankans call this Atangua. We don't know English name of this one. Okay. Now we are going to do some work. So man, get the net. Okay. Now we get the net. Yes. Why not, bro? Oh, this is not for Sri Lanka. This is only for the Americans, Canadians, Australians people.
And Indian.
Yes. You. Allah
There is a pakartai machi.
Very nice, bro. Very nice, bro.
That going down.
Let's see. Let's see. Who catch for the net? Is there any fish there, man? No? Sometime fish come to the net. At the time there is no fish on the net. So what to do? Fishes ran away. Then put this into the river. Jabok sound coming. Fish going. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Oh my God!
Nice. You can see
Malcoralia.
this is small corally. He's a very clever man, Mr. Maduranga. You can see this is small coralia. You catch that? Yes, nice man, nice, very nice. Go, where are you jumping, man? Okay, bro. This is that. This is Malcorolia. Very clever fisherman, man. Okay, you are correct.